When the terrain gets tough, you need a tire that's tougher. Meet the Ocelot P3139 ATV and UTV tire, built for adventure and engineered for performance. From rough trails to open deserts and rocky climbs, the Ocelot P3139 is your all-terrain solution. Its aggressive 15mm tread depth and robust lug design deliver the traction and durability you need for high-performance UTV action. Featuring an 8-ply radial construction and a non-directional tread pattern, this tire is built to handle heavy loads with reinforced rubber compounds that boost stability and control even at high speeds. Thanks to tightly packed center lugs with an alternating pattern, the P3139 delivers a smoother, quieter ride while enhancing high-speed performance. Tie bars at the base of the center lugs improve rigidity for more responsive, predictable handling, especially on uneven terrain. Optimized spacing between center and shoulder lugs allows for water, mud, and rocks to easily clear out, so the Ocelot P3139 can maintain maximum grip no matter the conditions. The shoulder lugs taper into a V shape along the sidewall for added protection against punctures and abrasions, and with alternating recesses in the outside of the lugs, the P3139 cuts weight to improve acceleration and handling without sacrificing strength. With its heavy-duty construction and aggressive design, the Ocelot P3139 is offered in a variety of sizes for high-performance side-by-sides to handle extreme terrain. Built tough, rides smooth, conquers it all. The Ocelot P3139 ATV and UTV tire is where performance meets versatility. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.